Hello, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily upload files to Google Drive using your mobile device. Whether it's a photo, document, or video, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and efficiently. Let's get started right away. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the plus icon. Then, from the menu that appears, choose the Upload option. After that, your phone's file manager will open. Browse through your folders and select the file you want to upload. Once selected, tap on Add. You can now choose a folder location within your Google Drive if you want to organize your uploads. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Finally, tap Upload. Your file will begin uploading. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the size of the file. That's it. Now you know how to upload files to Google Drive from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.